Hello everybody, today's 10th of December, Sunday 2023. We are test driving Mitsibushi L200 or Fiat Fullback, which came with the DPF problems and some other issues. The problems has been solved. Hello sir, good morning to you. What can you say about your car? How was it before and how is it driving? I mean, you had a bit of test drive on your car.
So
is there any difference?
Before it was driving a little bit boggy. Then I've got a light flashing on the screen for the DPF. I brung it to Errol. He done his business on it, and now it's probably driving 25% more power, I'd say, and feels much better to drive more power. Yeah, feels better.
There is a considerable difference, isn't it?
There is, yeah. There definitely is a difference driving.
Okay, excellent. I wish you all the best and Merry Christmas. You can reach us on 07533 636 194 with your DPF, EGR, AdBlue, NOx, power loss, high fuel consumption, black or white smoke. Also, we are content tuning ECU programming center, and we also the ghost immobilizer approved center. Thanks for watching.